In this episode, a curious little foodie samples a rainbow of purees, while the camera catches every squeak and slurp of joy. Each bite sparks a tiny chorus of sounds from lips, a crunchy pop here, a suck there that parents replay. The tiny reviewer reveals favorites by wagging a chubby finger and gurgling approval, while the spoon becomes a drum. Messy moments spark belly laughs as bibs become art, and splashes write their own silly soundtrack. By the end, the baby signs a tiny verdict, a new crunchy craving inviting viewers to join next time.